next is tackle pa sa ano siyang working principle of gasoline engine. Most gasoline engines are produced in four stroke cycles or without sa one Otto cycle consisting of four main pieces. So, what I discussed here is how the gasoline, masay function sa gasoline sa gasoline engine. Sa engine is discuss natin sa mga next level. So, intake stroke. The intake valve is open and the piston moves down during an air fuel mixture. So, during intake stroke, gasoline and oxygen will enter the cylinder. Then, second one is compression stroke. The piston moves up, compressing the air fuel mixture to increasing efficiency. So, sa compression stroke, yan ang piston will move up. So it will compress the mixture of fuel and oxygen. Next is power stroke combustion. The spark plug ignites the mixture, causing an explosion that pushes the piston down. So take note of the word spark plug. Spark plug is only ano din sa mga gasoline engines. Anong naman sa spark plug? Kay ang gasoline yung fuel is more potent siya kaysa sa diesel na fuel. So meaning this less yang pure is kanang video ko sa eco-friendly kay gamay yung sa mga carbon dioxide. So next is exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens and piston moves up. So yun the exhaust gases. So ato mga gases na kung mas long is ina-exit niya sa ligan sa engine.
Ang gasoline engine may more power pero mas daghan siya ng gasoline. Second is lower emission compared to diesel engines. Emit gas with greenhouse and particulates. So ang gasolina is filter na pagkaayos sa mga fuel industries. Meaning wala na ang added impurities and meaning miss na ang carbon emission. Third is lightweight and compact, suitable for small vehicles and machinery. So, mga gasoline engines is gaan because its small body is enough to hold the burn process. Quicker operation. Gasoline engines produce less noise and vibrations. Hinay na ang mga tinog sa gasoline engines because it produces only small explosion and fission. Mr. President, will continue to discuss.
Disadvantage of gasoline engines.
Louder, sir.
Less power at low speed compared to diesel engine. So di na siya o ganang pwersa kaysa diesel engine. So fuel consumption less fuel efficient than diesel engine in some application. So mas kalas ang gasoline engine compare na to sa diesel engine. Tungkol kay masagara na common na ginagamit sa gasoline is na mga motor. So ang mga motor is gamay na siya o one na gasoline tank compare na to sa diesel nga common na ginagamit na yung mga bus, tractor na mga heavy nga equipment. So mas pinagagawin siya o dako nga gas tank para makalawtay siya. So environmental impact emits CO2, carbon dioxide contributing to global warming. So makalaot yun siya sa itong environment because tungod sa aso nga magawa sa makina sa kainan pa or mga motor. So more maintenance requires frequent servicing of spark plug and fuel system. So need na ito nga mag-maintain na kita sa atong gasoline nga atong ginagamit kay ito nga makanaot ko na sa atong makina. Labi na sa piston o kung valve nga giingon nila kung valve sa kung hindi mo kung nailahin ang tao gamit sa gasoline
Yes, ma'am. Very well.
Yes, so let's proceed. Let's proceed to our question identification. Before you answer the question, read the following direction and I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. Direction. Write GE if the following pictures of machinery is powered by a gasoline engine and write in GE if it's not. 1 word, ma'am.
One whole guy.
Next. Okay, class. What's your pin?
Three.
4 now. What?
Ma'am, niya nasa
Okay, class. Finish or not finish? Pass your paper and what?